Hello. I'm going to do a tune-up report today on this Galaxy DX94 HP. This is for Jordan in Texas. Jordan, over here, if you remember, you asked for a specific amount of low power. So I had to turn the high down a little bit. So here's low, right where you wanted it, just a shade under 3. And then I'm going to go up one scale. That's going to be 10, 20, 30. And then bring the power all the way up. It's only about 12 or 13 watts. The peak power, 250 watt slug, 100 watts is right there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio.
And on sideband.
Audio.
Let me turn off the talkback. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Come on in.
Breaker 19 for radio check.
Yeah, that's what I sound pretty good out here, but
I appreciate it, drivers. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.